Welcome y'all to day 5 of my series. How are you guys doing today? Let me know. Talk to me y'all. Talk to me y'all. Don't be a stranger. If this is your first time on my channel, bro, welcome. I assure you that you probably want to be here. You probably want to stay here. Because this is where the real winners are, bro. You're seeing my journey. And I appreciate you. I appreciate the support. I really do. But this is the start of my series. This is day 5. And who knows what I'll be like in day 100, day 1,000, bro. I'll probably be a whole different person. You'll probably likely know me by then, but hopefully I'll be more well known. But I don't really care about that. I'm trying to become a better trader. And this helps me put my thoughts in words down. This is like a journal for me. And I love it. I love it. I love you guys. I love you guys. I really do. I really care for you guys. I really do. So let's get after it today. Let's kind of go over what we were seeing today. Enough with the introduction. Let's get straight into it, folks. Day 5. Day 5. It's already been day 5. It really doesn't feel like it's been that long. It really feels like it's been like a day or two. Honestly. This week went by really fast. We're going to go over what we were looking at going into today. And I ended up taking a little trade. Honestly, wouldn't really even count it. I'm on a demo account. If you guys don't know, I don't know if I really addressed that in the past. But going forward, I am on a demo account for now. I have no rush. This is my journey, bro. I don't care what you have to say about me that I should be on a live account. Oh, you gotta feel emotions, bro. I don't care. I'm on a demo account. I'm going to go over to a live account, maybe a funded account, when I feel the time is necessary. When I feel like the time is necessary, that is when I'll jump over to a live account. I don't think that there's any reason for me to be on it. I'm building conviction, and that's how I will win in the future. So the market is still open at the time I am recording this, or at the time we are live, because these are live streams pretty much. But basically, right as market opens right here, and then market opens, and then we take out buy side. And so this is kind of where I went wrong, and this one I just got to accept the conditions that we're having and where we're at. So on ES though, ES still hasn't taken this high, but NQ has taken this high, but ES has not. So this is kind of where I went wrong. This is kind of where I was just too zoomed in today. This is where I kind of got bit in the butt. Which broker do you have a demo account? I have a broker. I have a trading view. Tradeovate. Tradeovate is a demo account. So we just swept liquidity on higher time frame. This is like an hourly level. I'm way too zoomed in here. This is not really a trade. We have generated sell side. I was looking at. And then we end up coming back in that 1 minute imbalance, and then I ended up shorting this actually. And I don't really like this, honestly. I don't really like this trade. I put my stop at this high. Target this low. 4 to 1 risk reward. This is an okay trade. Not. The reason why this is a bad trade though is we will look at ES here. ES still has not taken this high. At the point that I took this, let me go to 1 minute on ES. At the moment I took this trade, we'll kind of see. Yeah, it was kind of around here. Like we want to go to buy side here, and that's what we just ended up doing. I didn't get stopped out up here, but I actually took it off. I took it off like right here. I took it off like right around here. I think I actually entered right here. So I took it off at this down candle. I was like, bro, I don't need to be in this. Why am I even in this? Objectives already met. Like, this is just lower probability. This is when I got to realize that market conditions are probably not going to be there right now. Market conditions, I know I want to be in a trade. No, I know I want to be a successful trader, but market conditions are not there right now. I got to realize that. Got to wake up. And then we really just end up trending up for the rest of the day. There really is nothing here. I don't like straight up moves. And I was kind of thinking that this is probably what's going to happen. And it is what happened. We just got a straight trend day. No opportunity for here. Like, no trades here. Except for maybe that sell. But that just wasn't a good trade. I took it off. That's what I did good today. I was able to accept that I was going to lose. But anyways, this is what I was looking at today. And let's go over kind of my buy score of the day. It was bullish, but I want to see us take that high. I don't want to take that high so quick. Like, we have been taking objectives very quick recently. We have been taking objectives very quick in the day, this whole past week, like we'll open and then we'll take the objective either before we open or kind of like around open or like at open. It'll be quick. And that's what I don't want to see. That's where I'm not gonna get the. That's when trades will be lower probability. Trades that took a very small loss. Very small loss. I'll even pull up Tradeovate, the demo account. $14 loss, as we can see. Here's my executions if you don't believe me. But I don't think there's any reason to not believe me, bro. And then let's look at this as well. Let me go back. What did I do good? I was able to take off that position, and I was able to accept that I was wrong, and accept that I was able to, but I don't like how I was in that position in the first place. But that did look decent. This would have been a decent trade if the context was better around it. Like this is a decent trade if the context is better around it. Say ES has already took this level as well. This would be a decent trade. We get displacement through a low, create a fair value gap. Like this is a decent model, just the context isn't there, and that is why this trade did not end up going out for me. And I gotta accept that. I did accept that. I took my trade off, which is what I did good today, and I also didn't touch anything after this. I'm not gonna force a trade here. I was thinking that we're probably gonna. I was just waiting. I want to see price do something, and that never happened. We just end up just trend day. I don't see opportunity here. Friday, have a good rest of your weekend. Get on with the day. Reflection on the day. I feel like it was a decent day. Nothing to really be too worried about. Nothing for me to really be upset about, except for the fact that here's also what I need to add. Seeing both objectives. I guess at the time, like after I took the trade, I kind of knew that ES hadn't taken that high yet, but I didn't really take that into account, bro. Like we're just gonna keep on running that high. Why am I trying to force a trade? Why? There's no need. Seeing both objectives, I want to get better at seeing both objectives. That's what hurt me today. I wasn't really able to. I was too zoomed in. I was too focused on NQ's objective, and ES's objective that we really want to take that high was what we ended up wanting to do. Possible setups that I missed. I want to see if there's really any long setup. Oh, I actually was. So, I was looking at this in real time. And this actually is decent. Where do we open? Jeez. It was right around here. We do have a unicorn. I thought we did at least. Yeah, these are all kind of like breakers. But we have that and that. This is what I was looking at. And the reason why I'm not taking this, because we still have buy side up here. But the reason why I didn't want to take this is because we had news at 8. We're at 10. So I'm not going to take it before news is released. I want to wait for news to drop. But that's also something that, like, if you have confidence. I mean, I guess news, this is kind of risky. News did drop, like, right during that trade. But I was very confident that the draw was going to be this high. I was confident with that and I was able to see that. But I'm not going to take a trade. I'm not going to try to force a trade just to take a trade. I'm going to wait for that news to drop. That is developing good habits. Although it did work out today, what if it didn't? What if it didn't in the future? Although it did work out today, what if it doesn't work out in the future? I'm creating good habits. I'm building good habits here. I'm not worrying about bad habits. Enough with the bad habits. Enough with forcing trade. Enough with over leveraging. Enough with over risking, bro. You realize that none of those bad habits are going to change unless if you change yourself? None of those bad habits are going to change out of nowhere. I used to try to change my bad habits, but I never changed them. I was the same person. I would go in the market one day and I would lose, bro. Like, we can pull up my journal. I can pull up and I can read to you guys, but I'm not. I can pull up and we can read that to when I used to say, oh, I need to stop risking less. I need to start risking less. I'm risking too much. I'm trying to get it too fast. This is going to take time. Well, nothing is going to change if nothing is changing. Your behavior is not going to change if you don't change. That is critical within this journey. It's okay to make mistakes. It really is. But are you going to change your behavior after that mistake? Or are you going to have the same behavior, make the same mistakes, lose more and more money? And that's what I was doing for the longest time. I kept on losing and 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 losing until I finally got fed up with it. I'm like, bro, we got to be real with ourselves. We got to be real with ourselves. What are we really doing? Are we creating bad habits or are we creating good habits? We want to be creating good... Whoa, sorry, I didn't mean to flip you off. We want to be creating good habits. That's what we want to be doing. And there really is not much else for me to discuss today besides that we were just so bullish. And I got to realize, and I have to state, we are in all-time highs. So throughout the next weeks, we'll kind of go over news we have next week right now while we're at it, while we're thinking of it. Come on. Okay, this was today. That's all we had. We'd have enough. And I honestly wasn't really being paying attention to this, which I don't really care. I really care about Red Folder news, but I wasn't really paying attention to this. I'm not mad that I wasn't paying attention to this. This is really insignificant, so... I believe it's NFP. Sunday. Monday, we don't have any Red Folder news. So I already know that where we're at in the charts, Monday, I'm probably not going to be taking a trade. Probably not going to be taking a trade Monday. Monday is going to build us up for the week. Then we have PMI. GDP. What have AUD on? I think I was showing that in my stream. But anyways, if you guys are not in my stream... we have no Red Folder news. If you guys are not showing up to my streams, bro, show up to my streams, bro. If you go back and look at the last 20 minutes of my last stream, just do that right now. Do it right now. We have PMI. Then we have Powell talking. Bro, next week, even too, it's not going to be a high probability week. I don't think that we're really going to get the best probability next week either. Honestly, I don't think we are. So, gotta know that going into next week and going into the weeks to come. We're probably not going to get the highest probability. So, we're not going to force anything. Try to trade indices. I'm pretty much, I'm live for a whole session. And I just see opportunity when the draw is super clear to me, that's when I take my trades. Made 2R MU today, good stuff, bro. Keep it up. Think in terms of risk instead of money made. What did I do outside of the markets to improve today? I haven't really done anything. I'm doing. Usually I do these a little bit later, but I have to do these right now to get stuff done later. But bias going into tomorrow. Bias going into Monday. Basically, I don't even know, bro. I gotta see how we open up. If we just keep on going higher, I'm not touching it. And we don't even have any Red Folder news. We are generating liquidity on this move. We have lows here that we're generating. Honestly, I'm not gonna expect a sell off to expect a sell off. I want price to show me what we're gonna do. We are very bullish, so keep that in mind, bro. Look at this chart. This is just straight up. There's no need to try to short going forward. There's no need to try to short. Obviously, when the time is going to come, that is when you will get paid. When the time comes and you are building good habits every single day, when you're showing up consistently, building good habits every single day, when the time comes, that is when you will get paid. A lot of people don't want to be patient in life. A lot of people want instant gratification. A lot of people want to get results today, want to get results right now. Bro, why? Do you want to be a trader for 1 year, 5 years, or 10 years, or 20 years? Or do you want to be a trader for today? Are you worried about today? And what happens when you blow your account? Really, what happens when you blow your account? What should I be doing, but I'm not doing? I'm not. What should I be doing, but I'm not doing? Again, I was forcing bad setups. I'm still rushing setups. I'm still necessarily rushing setups. This isn't necessarily a bad trade. I'm glad I noticed it. I'm glad I'm improving. But realistically, there isn't a trade here. There's no reason to trade. NQ already took the high. There's no need. There really needs for us to really even head lower or higher here. This is just the market doing what the market wants to do. I'm not going to try to control this. This is what the market is going to do. Ooh, this would be. I think I did actually look over this, but this does look like a decent soup. Is there a SMT here? I guess you don't need SMT for a soup, but let's see. No, there's not. They want to get rich yesterday. Yeah, everyone wants to get rich today. Everyone want to get rich right now, bro. All right, anything I'm not going over? No, that's it. But like I'm saying, like today was decent. Today was all right. I'll take today. I can tell I'm making improvements. I can tell I'm making progress because I'm able to view the market like this. My read on the market has gone up so much within the past month. It's been crazy, y'all. I appreciate you guys for the support. I appreciate you guys for the love. If you guys are watching this, I appreciate you guys for supporting me. I really appreciate it. But why are you watching me in the first place? Think to yourself. Why are you watching me right now in the first place? Think about it right now. Why are you here right now? I want to answer. Why are you here right now? Why are you listening to this? Is it because you believe in me? It's because you like me? I see something special in you. I appreciate it, bro. I really appreciate it. And I want to get to the point to where you can see that special. You're able to see that special thing in yourself as well. Because I really want us to grow together. I want us to become better traders together. But at the same time, like, I was thinking it should become a point to where, like, we're both able to grow. You should be doing. You should be growing as well with me. That's why I'm doing this. I really want you to grow with me. A lot of the times I used to look on YouTube. I used to watch YouTube videos. And I used to not get any better at all. Like, I would watch these motivational videos, but what is that really doing for me? I'm just watching these in my bed. I'm watching a motivational YouTube video in my bed right now. Why? What is that doing for me? I'm not actually getting after it. That's when I said I had enough, bro. I'm going to get after it. I used to watch other people document their journey. I used to watch other people do the things that I know that I could be doing. So why am I not doing that? Why? Why, bro? You gotta ask yourself why. Get down to why. Why are you not doing the things that you know that you should be doing? You gotta be critical. You gotta find the truth in yourself. And the people that love you are the people that are gonna bring the good out of you. And I don't know you at all. I don't know anything about you. I don't even know what you look like, bro. But I want the best for you. I really do. And there's so much fake trading stuff out there. There's so much bad out there. That seems a lot like your real life, and that seems a lot like the real world. There's so much bad out there. Your parents always tell you that there's so much bad out there in the world. There's a lot of bad stuff in the trading space, and I don't want you to go and watch that stuff. I really don't want to watch that poison. Hey, I made $10,000 today, bro. I don't care. I don't care how much you made. Like, you will never see me post a video. Even when I do make money, you probably won't ever see me post a video that I made $10,000 today. You won't. Because where's that feeding you? That is feeding you the mindset that you should be constantly worrying about the money, and you should be worrying about the results of everything. Because then when you see when other people are making all this money, you're thinking about, why can't you be making that money? And that's what I've been doing forever. I was looking at these other traders that were making $10,000 a day. I made $40,000 today. I was like, bro, I want to be doing that right now. That's not how life goes. That's not how life works. You expect after a month or two to become profitable? You expect after 2 months of trading to become profitable? You expect to be making money right now? Are you serious? You're worried about the money instead of the habits, instead of the person that you're becoming? I don't care about anything. I don't care about the results I'm getting right now. I care about who I'm becoming. What type of person am I becoming? And I'm becoming better today or becoming worse? That's what I care about. Am I stacking upon today or am I stacking upon yesterday? Am I stacking days and I'm becoming better? Or am I not? That's what I care about. And I want you to get better too. But honestly, what does watching me have to do with you growing? Like, realistically. Like, I really do appreciate it. Like, I really do appreciate you guys supporting me as well. I really do appreciate it, and I love you guys. I really do. And just because I love you guys, like, what is watching me benefit to you? What is watching me? Bro, I don't know anything. I'm figuring things out. But what you can do if you watch me is you can look at how much I've improved. Like, I was talking about this in the live stream, and I keep on saying this. But let's look at this. I was looking at this, bro. Who is this guy? Who is this guy? I am documenting everything I do. I'm documenting my journey. What am I doing? Where am I going wrong here? What am I looking at? I'm looking at equilibrium within this tiny little... What is this? I don't recognize this guy. I don't notice this guy. Become unrecognizable. We're trying to become... Bro, you know what I want to be? You know what ideally I want to happen? This is a big goal in life. I want to pull up to that high school reunion. I want to pull up to that high school reunion and people already know who I am. Like, oh, yeah, that's Caleb Sutterfield. That's the guy who's done this, and this. He's become successful now. Yeah, I've seen this guy everywhere. He's done amazing. He's done things with his life. But he's really not that great. I'm really going to hate on him. I'm really going to throw negativity because I really knew him when he was nothing. I knew this guy when he was nothing, and now he's something. So I'm going to be jealous now. I'm going to throw a hate to him. Like I've been saying, people aren't going to want to see you change. People aren't going to want to see you grow. People are not. No one wants to see you grow. They're going to hate when you grow. They're going to hate when you become better. They're going to hate when you level up. They're going to hate when you get more viewers. They're going to hate when you get more views. They're going to hate when you run more miles. They're going to hate when you accomplish your dreams and goals because it reminds them of what they could have been, of who they could have been. They're going to sit there and they're going to be, I knew this guy when he was nothing, and now I know him when he's all of a sudden this perfect guy on the outside. First of all, bro, no one's life is as good as it seems. My life is not good as it seems. My life is not. I try to show the truth in my life. I don't try to sugarcoat anything. I don't try and make anything seem better than it actually is. I don't. And a lot of these people do. I made $10,000 today. Okay, but who are you on the inside? Are you really happy about your life? Do you really care about your life? Do you wake up and do you make an impact? At the end of the day, bro, I'm trying to make an impact in this world. And I hope that you can see that with what I've done so far. But I want to make an impact on people's lives. Because I know what it is to look at other people and see other people do amazing things and think that, like, why can't that be me? So I got to that point to where I'm enough saying, why can't that be me? Let's actually get after it. Let's actually get going. I want to make an impact. I want you to look in the mirror and I want you to be proud of yourself. But at the end of the day, that doesn't happen if you don't get going. Nothing changes if nothing is going to change. You won't become a better person if you don't change the behavior. You won't become a better person if you don't change who you are. You won't. That's a hard reality. That's not what everyone's going to sit here and tell you. The people that truly love you are the people that are really going to tell you that. But anyways, bro, it's been a fantastic day. I've had a fantastic day. And I'm having a fantastic life right now because I'm heading towards my goals. I'm heading towards my reality. I'm getting after it, bro. Look at this. Look at this. I'm heading after it. I'm getting after it. And you should too. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the love. It has been amazing. This journey has been amazing. This process has been amazing. My life has been amazing recently. Look at where I'm at right now. I love this. I love doing this. I love getting up here, and I need to keep on going. I need to put in more effort than I was, y'all. And that's what I want to do today. Today is a shift. I want to have this passion. I want to have this energy every single stream. I really do. I want to have this passion and energy for 5.5 hours like I was today. I want to have this passion, this energy, this effort every time going forward. And for me to not bring this energy, for me to not bring this passion into every video that I create and everything that I produce, then why am I even doing this in the first place? Why? If you're not going to give it your all, why are you even starting in the first place? If you're not giving it your all, if you know you have more in the tank, then why in the first place? And I had that realization yesterday after I posted my activated video. I was like, bro, I know I have more. This isn't what I want it to be. So going forward now, I can either get sad about that I haven't been tapping into that, or I can finally tap into that energy. And I can actually change something. But nothing is ever going to change if nothing ever changes. You're not going to become a better person. You're not going to become a better trainer if nothing changes. Nothing will change if nothing changes. Anyways, I'm going to get it on with my day. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your weekend. I hope you guys are doing great. And if you guys aren't doing great, get to work and become great. Get to work and become great. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys for supporting me. I appreciate you guys on this journey. Hopefully you guys can tell the passion of this video has changed. And I know that, rightfully so, when the time comes, that hard work will pay off. Anyways, have a phenomenal rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the weekend. Don't be a slave to the charts. Have a good weekend. Spend it with people that you love, people that you care about, and get better. Get better. Push others to get better and push yourself to get better. But anyways,